Most animals have never burned the inside of their mouth.
One of the biggest problems with good people is they don't understand how evil bad people can be.
At the rate the economy is going, only polyamorous families will be able to afford raising children.
Your phone is the only computer you own that you'd expect to work after being dropped so many times.
People in the past weren't dumber, they just knew about less things.
Your teeth are the only part of your skeleton that you can clean.
Your most valuable skill in life is your ability to learn.
I don't mean to victim blame, but what were they doing sewing on a haystack anyway?
Lobsters are mermaids to scorpions.
Most animals have never seen what their own face looks like.
Siri, Alexa, and Cortana will one day be considered derogatory terms for AI.
With all of the microbiota in our bodies, your consciousness may actually be their consciousness talking to you.
An orgasm is easier to fake than a sneeze.
Hush puppies are just one-less corn dogs.
A good day is eventful, but a good night is eventless.
People with only one arm must have it easy being the big spoon.
The game "The floor is hot lava" is very practical to prevent a toddler or young child from walking through a mess.
There's a chance a portion of the 40 and 50-year-olds you see on a daily basis have tramp stamps.
No one has ever been in an empty room.
Now for a quick break. Stay tuned for more shower thoughts. There's so many birds, yet we never see them dead from age.
An infinite amount of numbers has never been written down before.
Both dystopian and utopian societies have to recycle.
Snoop sobered up before we got GTA 6.
Silence can speak volumes, but sometimes it's the hardest button to turn off.
Racehorses are the most expensive animals and the least expensive meats.
Watering down drinks is not frowned upon as long as the water is in a solid state.
The world's attention span becoming shorter and shorter is forcing content creators to become more and more succinct and to the point.
People who look old when they're young age really well.
We spend the first years of our lives trying to learn how to walk and talk, and the rest of our lives trying to sit down and shut up. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Thank you so much for listening, and we'll be back tomorrow with more mind-bending shower thoughts. Goodbye for now. If you liked this podcast, check out our other podcast, Daily Dad Jokes. It'll make you laugh and groan. Just search for Daily Dad Jokes in your podcast app or check the show notes page for links. This podcast was produced by Klassic Studios. Please see the show notes page for source credits.